Hello my shining stars. So today we are doing Learn and Solve Maths Class 4 by Children Voice publication. So let's start. Now chapter 11, Symmetry and Patterns. A shape which can be divided into two exact halves is called symmetrical shape. Patterns are the sequences of numbers, letters or figures that change in a certain manner. So warm up. The first one, complete the patterns by drawing figures. So like here you can see this arrow, one circle. Now we are tilting this arrow and circle this side. Now arrow this side, circle is coming up. Now arrow this side, circle is coming like this. Now arrow, it would be downward and circle would be like this. Similarly, you can try B part. The second one, take the symmetrical shape. So now tell me which shapes are symmetrical. So A part, because we will get two equal halves. B, no. This is not symmetrical. We will not get two halves. C, no. D, yes. Right? The third one, draw the line of symmetry on these shapes. You can try this one. And the fourth one, draw the rest half of these shapes. So we can draw these half parts. Okay, so now come to symmetry. Flat shapes which when folded or have two parts that match with each other are called symmetrical shapes. The concept of symmetry has been beautifully used in the construction of monuments like Taj Mahal, Charminar, Humayun's tomb, etc. जितने भी monuments हैं, buildings हैं, beautiful buildings, we have symmetry. Okay, so like this you can see in Taj Mahal we have symmetry, Charminar, Humayun tomb. Okay, now symmetry in geometrical shapes. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. It means a square can be divided into 8 equal parts. So see, square, so along length, breadth and along the diagonals, these lines, 4 lines are lines of symmetry. Now a rectangle, अगर आप एक rectangular paper लेंगे, you will see we get 2 lines of symmetry, means one is parallel to length and one is parallel to breadth. So we have 2 lines of symmetry. So it means that rectangle can be divided into 4 equal parts. Now other shapes having more than 4 lines of symmetry, like this pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry, this hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry, this octagon has 8 lines of symmetry, and a circle has infinite lines of symmetry. Now reflection. You always see your reflected image in a mirror. The reflection of a figure gives its mirror image. The shape of a figure does not change on reflection. The following shows the reflected image of the objects. आप जब mirror में देखते हैं, what will you get? You will get your reflection, your image, reflected image. Okay, like this one. Right, so we can complete this image by drawing the other half of it, as after reflection both the halves look the same. So we call such halves the mirror halves. Okay, you can see one half is given. Now we can complete it. Right, now assessment 1, question number 1, draw the lines of symmetry on each shape. Count and write the lines of symmetry of each shape. So here A part, this is a square. You know how many lines of symmetry we have? We have 4 lines of symmetry. So draw it very carefully. I am doing without scale, that's why it's coming like this, but you have to do it carefully. Okay, similarly you can try like C part, this triangle. So it has 3 lines of symmetry. ऐसे ही आप स्टार का कर सकते हैं. Now the second one, draw a line of symmetry on each shape. This one is heart, so this vertical line, center में line ले लेंगे. B part, how can you take? You will take horizontal line like this. This is the line of symmetry. ऐसे arrow में आप क्या लेंगे? Horizontal line. Okay. ऐसे D में you will take vertical line. It depends on the shape, right? Now the third one, in which figure the line of symmetry divides the shape into two halves. So आप बता सकते हैं, you can try this one, like B part, C part, right? The fourth one, which of the following are symmetrical figures? Also draw their lines of symmetry. So like see this one, a spinning top, yes. The center one, and this one, yes, this spot, this kite, yes, this one also. Now the fifth one, draw the line of symmetry of the following figures. You can try this one. And the sixth one, write the letters of the English alphabet in the space according to their lines of symmetry. A part, letters with more than two lines of symmetry. So write one letter or more letters which have more than two lines of symmetry. So letter O, we can write O. O has infinite lines of symmetry like circle. Letters with no line of symmetry. So letters with no line of symmetry like Y, no line of symmetry, okay. Letters with one line of symmetry like A alphabet, B, C, right? So similarly you can try many more. The seventh one, take the figures that are reflection of each other. So you can try this one also. And the eighth, draw the reflection of each shape along the dotted lines. So you can try this one also. Now we are talking about patterns. We see many patterns, means designing around us. If we look around carefully, we will find patterns all around us like this, right? So patterns can be formed by drawing an image and its reflected image. हम ऐसे भी डिजाइनिंग ले सकते हैं, like this is a triangle and its reflection. So this is forming a patterns. So patterns are formed using geometrical shapes and designs. So look at these patterns made by repeating a unit or block again and again. हम किसी एक ब्लॉक को, किसी एक डिजाइन को रिपीट करके भी पैटर्न बना सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टेसिलेशन. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ टेसिलेशन? दिस इज द पैटर्न रिजल्टिंग फ्रॉम द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ रेगुलर पॉलीगन्स टू cover a plane without leaving any gaps or overlapping. Tessellations can be formed by, जैसे आपने फ्लोर्स पर टाइल्स देखी होंगी, so there is no gap between the tiles, so that is tessellation. Like here, a part overlapping of a single type of polygon having equal sides like this, like this, like this. So this is tessellation. Now overlapping of two or more types of polygons having equal sides like this, like this. Okay, so patterns in letters and numbers. Now we are talking about patterns in letters and numbers. Patterns can also be created using letters. These letters can be arranged in different order like PQ, QR, RS, ST, UV, like this, AC, BD, CE. So we can also make patterns using numbers like 12, 36, 108. Here we are doing what? 12 multiplied by 3, 36. 36 multiplied by 3, 108. Then 108 multiplied by 3, 324. So like this. So now we can also make patterns using letters and numbers. Like हम letters और numbers को भी combine कर सकते हैं. Like 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, 5E, 6F, 7G, like this. Okay, now finding patterns in the 100 square. So like here we have 1 to 100 number. 100 square with the numbers arranged like this has many patterns. Study and describe the pattern. See here, the first one of each row. हर एक रो में एक डिजाइनिंग है, एक पैटर्न है. Of each column, row like this, column like this. Okay, and of each diagonal, diagonal में भी एक पैटर्न है. So there are also hidden patterns in the square, और कुछ hidden patterns भी हैं, right? Now patterns with consecutive numbers means जो एक के बाद एक आते हैं. So consecutive numbers show a lot of patterns like this. Observe the patterns given in the table. Sum of two consecutive numbers, sum of 3 consecutive numbers and sum of 4 consecutive numbers. So first we are talking about sum of 2 consecutive numbers like 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 4 7, 4 plus 5 9, etc. So what we are observing? We observe that the sums are odd numbers. So also there is a difference of 2 between 2 consecutive resulting numbers. Now take sum of 3 consecutive numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 6, 2 plus 3 plus 4 9, 3 plus 4 plus 5 12. So what we can observe? We observe that the sums are multiples of 3 and also the sum is 3 times the middle term. जो middle term है उसका 3 times. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Okay. Now take sum of 4 consecutive numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 10, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 14, 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 18, 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 22. So we observe that the sum of 4 consecutive number is either twice the sum of the first and fourth number or twice the sum of second and third number. See, 1 plus 4 first and last, 1 plus 4 5, double of 5 is 10. Okay. और हम ऐसे भी ले सकते हैं second and third. 3 plus 4 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 plus 6 9, 9 2s are 18, 5 and 6 11, 11 2s are 22. So very interesting. Now also the sums increased by 4 और उनमें difference कितना है 4 4 का. Now assessment 2, question number 1, filling the blanks using the patterns with consecutive numbers like A part. 2 plus 5 7, 4 plus 5 9, 4 plus 7 11. ऐसे B part. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 5 plus 6 11. So 4 4 ka difference. Similarly we can try remaining parts. The second one, continue the patterns like A part. Here 1 arrow upward, then downward, then 2 arrows upward, then 2 arrows downward. It means we are increasing the number of arrows upward and downward. Now you will take 3 arrows upward and 3 arrows downward, then 4 arrows upward and then 4 arrows downward. Okay, I hope I am clear to you. Okay, now the B part you can try on your own. The third one, make a pattern with letters like A part. A C E G. A B skip कर देंगे, C D skip करेंगे, E F skip करेंगे, G. Now after G H comes, H skip कर देंगे, I skip J, K skip L, M skip N, O. Okay, so like this, right? So here P Q R S, first P Q R S, first letter P Q R S, it means next is T. P Q R S T, A B C D E, ऐसे चलते जाएंगे. P Q R S T U, like this. Okay, you can complete it. Now similarly you can try remaining parts. Now fourth question, make the pattern grow by drawing the given shapes. So you can try this one. Now the fifth one, make a pattern with any numbers. So we can try this one also, and we have some MCQs and critical thinking and aptitude reasoning. So you can try these sums. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us for more videos. Stay happy, stay blessed.